news coming in from Mumbai, where light rainfall continues to lash in several parts of the city, bringing cloudy skies and humid conditions along with intermittent showers. The IMD has also indicated that such spells of rain may continue through the day, with brief intensifications possible in some pockets. My colleague Shweta Verma joins on the broadcast to share further details. Shweta, of course, we are tracking some latest visuals from Marine Drive, showcasing what exactly Mumbai is looking like right now. It's overcast, there's a lot of rainfall taking place. At the same time, the water levels have risen as well. Barricades have been placed in and around Marine Drive. People have been told to not leave their residences even as the orange alert is in place, and to be a little far away from the sea as well, because Marine Drive is a popular location for a lot of locals to go and sit by when the weather is pleasant. So of course police has erected these barricades to bar people from going there, but we're being told that rain may continue throughout the day and it might even intensify in certain pockets across the city.
That's right, Pia. In fact, as we speak, we see that light to moderate spells of rain lashing out the city of Mumbai. With this, as the visuals are running through of the Marine Drive, it has been seen that today high tide is being expected around 3:31 p.m. Having said that, we have been seeing the police deployment at the touristy location that includes Marine Drive and Gateway of India. With this, Pia, in fact, as we report now, there's only moderate spells of rain. However, orange alert has been issued by IMD for Mumbai today for next 4 to 5 hours. Having said that, if we just speak about the adjacent places in the MMR region, that is about the KDMC or about Palghar, red alert has been sounded for these regions. With this, we have been seeing in Mumbai, in fact, owing to the fact that today orange alert has been issued by the IMD, the civic run schools and colleges to remain shut in the MMR region. But clearly now it's only moderate spells of rain. However, the rain is expected to intensify in a few hours, and we have been seeing that yesterday also between 75 mm to 100 mm of rainfall is what the key areas of Mumbai had witnessed.
Absolutely. Shweta, I request you to stay on with us as we're shifting our focus to some other developments.